was not this serious. It's in this big ass box. Y'all wait until y'all see what's in this big ass box. Girl. More stuff in, and then it's empty. Girl, now we gotta open this. Girl. I want y'all to know that this came straight from Louis Vuitton. This is not from a seller or anything like that. This is not from DHgate or anything like that. If you watch my previous video, you will know that my bag was missing its lock and its key. So this is they did all that for this is all we wanted, and they did all of that packaging, and it took this 2 weeks to come, because I called them the day that I got the package and, you know, opened it, because it arrived, I believe, after Christmas. Baby, this is all we wanted, and y'all did all of that. I'm glad it came secured, but baby, this is all we wanted. That was it. To go on my Speedy. And girl, yeah, just... Child, I'm finna go corporate. All of that so that I can finally put my lock onto my Speedy. Oh, Jesus. Like, it just... All of this. And this wasn't even supposed to come in a box. This was supposed to come in the bag inside of a cute little dust bag. All of this, all of this, all of that for this. Oh, Jesus. And another thing, if y'all was gonna send me a box and no dust bag, why you didn't send a cute little ribbon on it? It's giving lazy. Now watch, when I go to the King of Prussia location to get my bag hot stamped, watch me ask for a dust bag that I didn't get. And I'm gonna pull up this video and show them what the hell they done did. Needless to say, I am not happy with my experience purchasing this Speedy B25, because I should not have gone through this. And honestly, I'm not even going to put the lock and key on the bag like shown here. I'm actually really thinking about just returning this bag, especially since it was made in the US. Again, I'll give you guys an update and let you know what I do. More than likely, I am going to be returning it. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.